Main Street, USA. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve, and not just because we're on Australia. Our metropolis of mechanical marvels, Tomorrowland.
And seems the opportunity
As you know, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the wind. As I'm still far as a
Unidentified users detected at Buffalo Conduit area. Scanning. Calculating. Locomotive maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required. Users, please proceed with non-accessible light for uploads. Once digitized, you may board your light cycle and join the gates. Fair warning, users. Competition is fierce and fast. Stick together. It's your only hope of victory.
For our safety, we do need to be fully seated at this time. This does also include our little ones. They must be seated on the bench next to us or in our laps. Again, we all need to be fully seated at this time. Thank you.
Sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland. Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA. A place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treats. After our stop, we'll be heading for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. If you have strollers to afford, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of you. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
As we pull into the station, please remain fully seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. You hear one whistle and my words are all clear. Only then is it safe to disembark. So again, please continue to remain fully inside of the train. And please remain seated.